Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the calendar you actually use every day. This keeps changes focused and reversible. Next, install a lightweight theme extension or open calendar settings to customize colors. Pick a cohesive 3-5 color palette so your view stays readable. Then decide event categories like work, personal, bills, and assign each a distinct color or emoji. Once done, create one test event per category to preview how colors and icons read together on different zoom levels. Now refine how each event appears so your calendar becomes a readable dashboard. Start by editing event titles to be short and consistent, adding an emoji or 2-letter prefix for instant scanning. This helps you locate categories at a glance. Then apply custom HEX or preset colors to each calendar and adjust default event durations to avoid overlapping clutter. Make sure to enable compact view or density settings if you prefer tighter spacing. Those small adjustments drastically improve visual hierarchy and usability. Finish by polishing layout and adding subtle finishing touches. Hide any rarely used calendars to reduce noise and choose week or day view by workflow to emphasize what matters. If you like, enable a minimalist background or use an extension to tweak fonts and contrast. Less is more here. Make sure to sync changes across devices so the aesthetic stays consistent. If something breaks, clear your browser cache or reset the theme extension. Reassign colors afterward to restore the intended look quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.